Today on the dinner bite, I will be showing you how to make this quick and delicious garlic knot chicken. It is juicy, buttery, and full of garlicky flavor. This is perfect for busy weeknights and it's ready in 15 minutes. So if you love easy and flavorful dinner, this one is for you. Let me show you how to make it. Season 4 chicken cutlets on both sides with salt, black pepper to taste, and 1.5 teaspoon of paprika. You can substitute with smoked paprika or spicy one. Pat the seasoning into the chicken so it adheres to it. Heat 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until the butter melts. Add the chicken cutlets and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. Transfer them to a plate and set aside. Still using the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Stir in the chopped garlic and parsley, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in half cup of low sodium chicken stock and deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits in the pan. Do not skip this step as this will add tons of flavor to the chicken. Return the cooked chicken to the pan, spoon some of the sauce over each piece and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat to warm it and soak up that delicious garlic flavor. Sprinkle half cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the top. Remove it from the heat. The residual heat will melt the cheese nicely. Let the chicken rest for 2 to 3 minutes before serving to keep it juicy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the full detailed recipe on thedinnerbyte.com. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy recipes, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.